Hey y'all, I got cut off because of a time limit on our last video, but I only have one page to read left in chapter 8. So here it is. She was thrown back into the box. The horses jibed side to side, but she held tight to the ribbons. They flew across like scared jackrabbits. The black wheels barely turned on solid ground when the bridge collapsed and dropped into the churning river. "Whoa, my beauties, whoa!" yelled Charlotte. The passengers hurried back to the stage, clamoring about the excitement while Charlotte settled the team. "We could have all fallen in," one woman gasped. "My heart's a poundin'," a man exclaimed as the others joined him. "We would have drowned." "He saved my life," said the gentleman who almost refused to leave the coach. And by the way, they were talking they were talking, and James was nodding his head. Charlotte knew that there wouldn't be a question about her driving a stage again. Okay, so sorry about that time limit. I know this is a super short video, but I will see you guys in chapter 9 tomorrow, and I'm so sorry to say this, but tomorrow is the last day of reading. Chapter 9 and 10, and then we will head into, for the rest of the week, so Wednesday and Thursday, you'll be able to take your AR test, and then we'll put up the choice board where you guys can choose which assignments you want to do based on the book. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.